We are a very loud reading group. We'll be working our way through Terence Dwyer's iconic music educational text, Composing with Tape Recorders. Originally published in 1971, this is meant to be fun. Oh boy. The hope is afterwards, on your own next week, next month, next year, it will feed into, trigger something into an unexpected way. The best thoughts are on the bus or the train, when there's no pressure. Yes, we are playing on the cult iconic equipment, the physical materiality, but pushing that further, we are the tape recorders, we are the microphones. Smack lips, whistle under breath, cough, yawn, gargle, tap, crunch celery or potato crisps. Keep learning. Explore the use of exact pitch. Learn to adapt serial pitch procedures. Take an interest in tape recorders and hi-fi generally. Read the appropriate magazines. Join a local tape recording club or start one. I have a free-form approach. I don't want to operate within or learn any of the established rules. So from the start I'm free to go wherever my instinct and the sounds suggest, with nothing looming over me, subconsciously suppressing my ideas. I don't read or write music or adhere to formulas, but I have knowledge of different techniques, equipment and software. The possible theoretical reason why things seem right and fall into place so readily is not important to me. That they do and that it sounds good and evokes the right feelings is enough.
Ready?
Rattled, hit full, hit empty, 2 boxes rubbed together on sandpaper, end of box blown out, match struck. Exercise number 42. The sparrows launch an attack on the elephants. A fierce battle ensures. Elephants crash to the ground one by one, and the sparrows are left victorious. Illustrate this in music. Playfully, stubbornly, ignoring boundaries, collaborating freely. It's probably not relevant this, so now mind. I think we will stop. We will stop. I think that's it. That's enough.